But when you compare this election result to the politics of Bihar, one thing that really stands out is the JDU versus RJD fight, the Nitish versus Lalu fight. Nitish and Lalu really go back years and decades. It was originally a love story that fell through, and both of them walked their separate paths. Then they exchanged hate notes in the political battlefield for the longest time. Surprisingly, in the year 2015, they decided to get back together to form the Mahagathbandhan with Congress in the fold.
Lalu Prasad was the General Secretary of the Patna University Students' Union in 1970 and became its president in 1973. In 1974, both Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar were part of Jaiprakash Narayan's total revolution. During this period, Nitish was struck by Lalu's crowd-pulling ability and his speeches that would later become his trademark. In 1977, Lalu Prasad became the Janata Party MP from Chhapra but lost the re-election in 1980. The same year, he was elected to the Bihar Assembly. Simultaneously, Nitish was growing into a key second-rank socialist leader after Karpuri Thakur. After Thakur's death, Lalu became the leader of opposition in 1989 and subsequently the Chief Minister of Bihar in 1990. This was also the time when Nitish, a key strategist, came to be known in political circles as Lalu's Chanakya. By 1994, differences had started to crop up between Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar. Lalu's pro-Yadav tilt was seen by some as an attempt to push Nitish to the background. At a party meeting, when Nitish reportedly tried to bring up this subject for discussion, Lalu reminded him that divided they would be doomed. While Lalu managed to silence Nitish at the party meeting, the latter soon walked out of Janata Dal to form Samata Party with George Fernandes. 3 years later, Lalu broke away from the party to form Rashtriya Janata Party in 1997. The same year, Lalu lost the Chief Minister's chair because of his alleged involvement in the fodder scam, but in an unexpected move made wife Rabri Devi the Chief Minister. After a poor show in the 1995 Assembly election, Nitish Kumar's Samata Party formed an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party in the 1996 general elections. In the next general election in 1998, Samata Party, in alliance with the BJP, won 10 seats in Bihar and 2 in Uttar Pradesh. Between 1998 and 1999, Nitish Kumar was the Union Minister for Surface Transport and also had a brief stint as Railway Minister before resigning in the aftermath of the Gaisal train disaster in Assam that killed 230 people. He later returned as the Railway Minister and occupied the post from 2001 to 2004. In 2003, Samata Party merged with Sharat Yadav faction of the Janata Dal and Lok Shakti Party to form Janata Dal United. As Congress-led UPA returned to power at the centre in 2004, Lalu Prasad became the Railway Minister, succeeding Nitish. In 2005 Assembly election in Bihar, Nitish Kumar became the Chief Minister and JDU formed the government in alliance with the BJP. Lalu and RJD suffered heavy electoral defeats in Bihar in 2 Assembly elections and won just 4 seats in the 2014 general election. Nitish Kumar and Janata Dal United also ended their 17-year-old alliance with the BJP in 2013 and won just 2 seats in the 2014 general election. Defeated by the Narendra Modi wave, leaders of both RJD and JDU joined hands once again ahead of the 2015 Assembly election in Bihar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.